Did you know that using fresh, seasonal ingredients in your smoothies can supercharge their nutritional benefits? Imagine sipping on a smoothie that tastes amazing and packs the best nutrients each season has to offer. Ready to unlock the secret to perfect year-round smoothies? Welcome! Today we're diving into the art of making seasonal smoothies. Fresh ingredients don't just taste better, they maximize the health benefits of every sip. But let's face it, the same old recipes can get boring, and you might miss out on unique seasonal nutrients. In spring, think fresh greens and citrus for cleansing energy. Summer, it's all about vibrant berries and hydrating watermelons. Fall brings warming spices, apples, and pumpkin, while winter calls for hearty bananas, pears, and warming ginger. Here are my favorite seasonal smoothies: spring green detox, summer berry bliss, fall spiced pumpkin, and winter ginger citrus burst. Each one captures the essence of its season. Using seasonal ingredients keeps your smoothies fresh, delicious, and nutritious all year long. Find the full recipes in the description below, and don't forget to comment with your favorite. Subscribe for more healthy, tasty ideas. Let's blend our way to better health.